Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Discover top agricultural machines, from stump grinders to excavators, designed to enhance farming efficiency. Stay tuned for the latest in land preparation technology. The HS15E and HS18E pulsed machines are advanced agricultural tools designed for efficient soil management. These machines utilize pulsed technology to break compacted soil, improving aeration and water absorption. Their robust design ensures long-lasting performance, making them ideal for large-scale farming operations. With adjustable settings, they can handle various soil conditions, enhancing crop yield and overall farm productivity. The BIS Rex is a versatile and powerful machine designed for modern farming. It is commonly used for land preparation, seedbed cultivation, and efficient tilling. With advanced features, it provides exceptional maneuverability and fuel efficiency. The BIS Rex ensures faster, high-quality results, making it an ideal choice for large-scale farming operations. Its robust construction guarantees durability and performance, even under tough conditions. The HRVB vacuum bucket is a powerful agricultural machine used for collecting crops like vegetables and fruits efficiently. It utilizes a vacuum suction system to gather produce from the field and store it in the bucket. This reduces manual labor, speeds up the harvesting process, and ensures minimal damage to the crops, making it a valuable tool for modern farming operations. The DGT by Big Technique is a cutting-edge agricultural machine designed for precision farming. It helps farmers efficiently plow and till the soil, increasing crop yield. With advanced technology and robust construction, it ensures smooth operation and reduces labor costs. The DGT offers improved productivity, making it an essential tool for modern agriculture. The RTX 750 SOC Vermeer is a powerful, high-performance stump grinder used in land clearing and forestry. It efficiently removes stumps and roots, enhancing land preparation for agricultural use. With its durable build and advanced hydraulic system, the RTX 750 ensures smooth operation and maximum productivity. This machine is ideal for clearing tough terrain in minimal time. The Triton 560 McElroy is a powerful horizontal directional drill used for underground utility installation in agriculture. It's designed for efficiency and trenchless technology, minimizing disruption to the soil. With its robust engine and advanced control systems, the Triton 560 ensures precise drilling, making it an essential tool for laying pipelines and cables in agricultural fields. The Belaz 75710 is one of the world's largest mining dump trucks, designed for heavy-duty tasks in agriculture and construction. With a massive payload capacity of 450 tons, it efficiently transports large amounts of soil, crops, and materials. Its advanced technology and powerful engines ensure optimal performance, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations and land management. Komatsu machines are known for their reliability and efficiency in agriculture. They offer a range of heavy equipment like bulldozers, excavators, and harvesters, designed to improve productivity and ease of operation in tasks such as land clearing and crop harvesting. The Braca Planter P11 is a precision planting machine designed for reforestation and land restoration. It efficiently plants seedlings in tough terrains, ensuring optimal depth and spacing for better growth. Its advanced system maximizes productivity in forest and agricultural management. The B60E dump truck is a robust and powerful vehicle designed for heavy-duty tasks in agriculture and construction. With a large load capacity and strong engine, it efficiently transports materials like soil, gravel, and rocks across rough terrains. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth unloading, making it an essential machine for large-scale farming and land management projects. The Magirus Wolf R1TAF60 is a versatile agricultural vehicle designed for transporting heavy loads in rugged environments. Equipped with advanced off-road capabilities, it can navigate tough terrains while carrying equipment, tools, and supplies. Its powerful engine and durable construction make it ideal for use in large-scale farming, forestry, and land management operations. The Hydrema 912 ES rail dump truck is a powerful and versatile machine designed for transporting materials on both roads and railways. With its robust off-road capabilities, it efficiently moves soil, gravel, and other heavy materials. Its unique design allows for smooth transitions between tracks and terrain, making it ideal for large-scale agriculture, construction, and land management projects. The AB23/SL Baron is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for soil cultivation and land preparation. It efficiently plows and tills the soil, improving aeration and enhancing crop growth. With its durable construction and advanced technology, the AB23/SL ensures consistent results, making it an essential tool for modern farming and large-scale agricultural operations. The H4 Refinator from Roxgon is a powerful land reclamation machine designed to break up compacted soil and remove rocks. It efficiently fractures the soil, making it ideal for preparing land for agriculture. With its robust design and advanced technology, it improves soil structure, promoting better crop growth and increasing productivity on challenging terrains. The JLG Crawler Elevator is a versatile machine designed for vertical lifting in agriculture and construction. With its crawler tracks, it provides stability on rough terrains while lifting heavy loads. Ideal for tasks like crop management, harvesting, and equipment relocation, it offers high reach and precision, improving efficiency and safety in various farming and industrial operations. The Vollard VLEX is a highly efficient machine designed for precise soil and land preparation. It is commonly used in agriculture for tasks like leveling and compacting soil. The VLEX ensures uniformity in soil structure, enhancing water infiltration and improving crop yield. Its advanced technology and durable construction make it essential for large-scale farming operations. The Equipter Tow Lift is a versatile machine designed for efficient lifting and transport in agriculture. With its towable lift system, it allows for easy movement of materials, tools, and equipment across farm fields. Its compact design and robust construction make it ideal for tasks like crop management, construction, and land maintenance, improving productivity and ease of operation. The zero-emission e-lift electric crane is an eco-friendly machine designed for heavy lifting tasks in agriculture and construction. Powered by electricity, it eliminates emissions, making it a sustainable choice for land operations. Its compact design and powerful lifting capabilities ensure efficient movement of materials, improving productivity while reducing environmental impact on farms and agricultural projects. The mobile brick-making machine efficiently produces bricks on site, reducing transportation costs and ensuring high-quality construction materials for agriculture projects. The Optimus H99 is a precision seed planter designed for accurate seed placement in various soil conditions. It ensures optimal seed depth and spacing, enhancing germination rates and crop yields. This machine improves planting efficiency, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The 250 Barrio Quarry Harvester is a robust and efficient machine designed for the agricultural and quarry industries. It is used for harvesting and processing materials like stones and minerals. With its powerful engine and precision cutting technology, it ensures high productivity in difficult terrains, making it ideal for large-scale agricultural and mining operations. The Arrowhead working system is a soil preparation machine designed to enhance aeration and reduce compaction. It efficiently cultivates the land, improving crop yields and optimizing soil health for better farming results. The Linebacker Quad from Jarrah Industries is a versatile vegetation management machine used in agriculture and land clearing. Equipped with powerful arms and a saw, it efficiently trims trees and bushes, improving land accessibility. Its four-wheel drive system allows smooth operation across rugged terrains, making it ideal for large-scale land maintenance projects. The Torsos Praetorian is an advanced agricultural machine designed for high-efficiency land cultivation. It features robust construction, allowing it to handle tough terrain while enhancing soil productivity and reducing labor costs. Its automation ensures precision and speed. The Dumper D6 Carmix is a heavy-duty, all-terrain dump truck commonly used in agriculture and construction. It features a 4x4 drive system, allowing it to transport materials like soil, sand, and fertilizers across rough, uneven landscapes. The machine's high payload capacity and durable design make it ideal for demanding tasks, improving efficiency and reducing labor time on farms and construction sites. The GT1 Yanmar is a compact and efficient agricultural tractor designed for small to medium-sized farms. It is equipped with a powerful engine, making it ideal for tasks like plowing, tilling, and hauling. The tractor's lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, while its durable build ensures long-lasting performance on a variety of terrains.